Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you my monthly collected haul for February 2021. It's mainly makeup, but I have to admit that I've tried most of the things, not everything, so I have some opinions, like quick opinions to give you, not a final review, but just a quick first impressions, let's say, or few impressions. But if we don't know each other, my name is Val and I love everything makeup and beauty, so if you wanna stick around, just press the subscribe button and ring the small bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now if you're interested in my small box, just keep watching. So I'll start off with something which was supposed to arrive last month. It's from my January haul, but it wasn't here, so I just popped a picture for you in my previous video, and this is the Club Nebula palette. This is Kaleidos makeup in collaboration with Angelica Nyqvist. She's an awesome YouTuber. I will link her channel here, and if you like colorful makeup, just check out her channel. She's just amazing, extremely positive. Let me just show you how it actually arrives. First of all, it was packed in the best way possible. I mean, considering the shipping and the way that they drop and throw things in the post offices. This is how the palette came. It's coming in this box. It's just amazing. Even my boyfriend was excited from the box and he said that it looks awesome. It's so different than everything we see. And this is how the palette looks like inside. That's the empty box, obviously. It's big enough and I can use it for many other things, so I can store my jewelry or some makeup inside. It's just awesome. I'm extremely impressed from the packaging, and the only reason that I didn't order the cards, because they had playing cards, you could order that as well, is because nobody around me is playing cards. I don't know how to play cards, my boyfriend doesn't play cards, so that's the only reason I didn't buy them, even though it was an awesome idea for a present. And this is the palette itself. Now let me show you the palette. It's coming with this clear thing which is saying Kaleidos on the top. It's coming with a mirror, obviously you can see, but let me show you up close. There must be another video on my channel already when I'm using the palette for the first time, and I will link the video here. It's just amazing, amazing palette. Anyway, moving on to the next thing, and I'm keeping an eye on my notes here so I don't miss something. I'll show you first items which were gifted to me, and that's not PR or something. It's just gifted from friends, my sister, my family, and etc. This is the E.L.F. Putty primer. This is what I got as well. I'm not sure about the price. Probably it's about $6-7 US. The person who bought it couldn't find the mattifying primer, so anyway, that's good enough. And I tried it already a few times. I wouldn't say it blurs out my pores, but when I tried it a few times, I did notice that my makeup looked kind of better than something else gifted. And I tried this not once already, quite a lot of times, and I really like it a lot. Now this is yet another hype product, and that's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I don't know the price again. It's about $15 US, I believe. This is really amazing. I get the hype, and I can't believe that I didn't try this earlier, because it's the color bronzer. It's perfect for my skin. The next thing from E.L.F. which I got, that's present as well, is their sponge, which is dirty. Obviously you can see. I used the sponge today and for the last maybe 1 week. I don't remember when I got these things. I think it's about $5-6 US. But yeah, I really like the sponge. Next I got, when we are on sponges, I got yet another sponge which is gifted to me. It's the Real Technique sponge, which is coming with this small box. I think it's the first one which they came up with. It's one of my favorite sponges for a really long time. The next thing which I got is this 5-pan eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild. I will count them as one thing, and they're gifted to me as well. This is how the colors look like. I tried the orangey one and a bit of the dark brown in one of my videos. I'm not sure if you've seen this video already or not. The colors the orangey one is Sundaze, and then the other one, the more neutrally shade, is Walking on Eggshells. Then the last thing which was gifted to me is this Carmex Lip Balm, this one, and another one which I don't have right now, Lip Medics, something was it's dark blue. But this one, the Carmex one, I really like, and I know it's quite famous in the States, but we don't have it here in Europe, at least where I live, and I definitely like it, and I've been using it since I have it. Next up is the eye primer which I got, and this is the BPerfect eye primer. I've tried the primer a few times. I have it on my eyes now. I like the primer. The only thing is that my eyelids are quite dry right now after the surgery, and it's a bit drying for my eyelids. If my lids were like they used to be before, that would be the perfect primer for me, probably. And the only thing which I don't like a lot is the fact that it's quite pinky. Let me just pull it away so you can see the color. I mean, compared to my skin tone, I'm quite yellow, and this one has a tiniest bit more pinkish in there. We have a few things from Catrice, actually 2 only, and this is the True Skin foundation, and mine is in the shade 039, yes, warm olive. I have to say that so far I really like this foundation. I've used it a few times. This is what's on my face today. Now I'm not sure about longevity because I just didn't pay attention the first I think 2 times when I was wearing the foundation. I don't remember even what I did for the rest of the day, how long I had it on my face, but I will let you know. Other than that, the color is awesome, and this was €8. The next thing which I have from Catrice is the concealer from the same range, the True Skin, and mine is in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit. Actually, the shade is fine for me. I've tried the concealer just a few times. Then moving on to yet another concealer, and this one is from Essence. This is the Camouflage concealer. Now this is a really old, I mean like a release product. You've probably tried this. I haven't tried it. That was €4. And the color which I got is 40 medium Fown, which is not so bad. Then something really exciting. I mean, they're all exciting, but I have a few things next here which I'm extremely excited for. This is the We Makeup, which you already saw in my previous video. This is the palette I created myself, and these are the colors. It's coming with a mirror, by the way. You can see these are the colors which I chose because you could create your own palette from singles, and I'll link the video when I use the palette up here. Now so far I've tried just the greens and the gold, so I can't wait to try the rest of the colors. I just had some more palettes, new things to try, and like I say, I only have 2 eyes, they're not so big, and I only have 24 hours in a day. So yeah, I just need some more time to try it. The price of the whole palette was €23.20, and from them as well I got 2 eye pencils which I'm using all of the time now when I want to use these colors, and they're the green one and the blue one. They're the pencils which you sharpen. This is how they look like, but I love the colors. And the eye pencils were €7 each. Next up, something which I really like and I've been using all of the time since I got is the NYX Suede lip liner, and these are the ones which you sharpen again. Color which I got is London. So if you're looking for a warm nude brown shade, go for it. It's amazing. And that was, I think, let me double check. Yep, €5. So then a random brush which I got for I think €4 or €5 is a concealer brush, and the brand is Better. I haven't tried anything from this brand anyway. Actually, I didn't use the brush for concealer. I tried to use it for eyeshadow or something. I have no idea how it works. Then something which I haven't tried is from MUA Makeup Academy, and this is their lip pencil in So Chic. It's dark purple actually, and the price of the pencil was $150. By the way, the primer, this pencil, and a few more things from Revolution I got from Beauty Bay, and I got the lip pencil just to use it together with one of the lipsticks which I got again from Beauty Bay from Revolution. Let me show you how they both look like. The prices were $5.35 each. So I got Latte and Plush. Let me show you. I haven't used the Plush shade still, and it looks beautiful. This is how the shade looks like. So that's the reason I got this pencil, because I think they're gonna go. Let me just swatch the lipstick on the back of my hand so you can. Oh yes. Okay, this is definitely deeper and more like something in between brown and aubergine, where the lip pencil is definitely more purpley, but you can see that probably. Then the latte color is this nudie, brownie nude shade, which looks awesome. I tried it already and I really like it. You can see it's just the perfect brownie nude color if you're looking for a warmer nude color, not pinkish one. And then one more thing from Revolution, which I got from here. It was about €5 again, I believe. And this is a lipstick in the shade Rebirth, that's the name. And this is how the color looks like. It's quite orangey, this one, but the reason I got this is just to mix it with my more pinky nudes, which are too pink for me. So when I mix them with this, it's becoming the perfect nude color. But this is how the color looks like. You see, it's definitely orangey. Last but not least, something which I got from Beauty Bay again is Makeup Revolution and Roxy, collaboration with Roxy. This is the eyeliner, which I tried a few times. And I mean, it's a felt tip eyeliner. It's actually easy to use, probably for those of you out there who are used to using this kind of, liquid liner. I used to use only gel liners before the surgery, and there were just a few liquid liners which I used to like. This one I like so far. Two more makeup things and then two more skincare items and we are done. And this is the other thing which I got, and this is the Norns palette by Udden's Eye. This is a Swedish makeup brand which I heard about from Angelica Nyqvist. Again, this is how the palette looks like. I just got the palette yesterday, so I haven't, oops, it's coming with a protective thing. I haven't used the palette at all. Let me just double check the price. €26, yes, and the delivery was about €6-7. To me, the palette is coming with a mirror, which is quite nice, and this is how the color story looks like. And the last makeup item I got is yet another palette, and this is from Certify UK. Now I got this the day before, so I haven't used it as well. It's coming again with this protective thing. Now I got this palette for, if I'm not wrong, for €12. It was on sale, €12, yes, and then almost the same thing I paid for delivery. But I was just curious to try something from Certify, and I'm curious to try different, especially European indie brands. Actually, I'm starting off with European brands just because it's easier for me to get them, but I'll keep moving to the US brands as well. This is how the palette looks like, and the name of the palette is the Dynasty palette. Now I think I was on their website yesterday and I saw that the price was back to normal, which was £30. Two more things left, and they are skincare from CeraVe. They're gifted to me from a friend. The first one, it's quite bright there so you can't see anything probably, is the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, a SPF 30. It's oil free, and I haven't tried this yet, so. And then the cleanser, I tried once, I think, or twice so far. And this is the Hydrating Facial Cleanser for normal to dry skin. Now, I have extremely oily skin, but I never use drying cleansers or cleansers for acne. With the one small exception that I got now in my last YesStyle haul, which I will link up here. I got the acne cleanser from Pyongyang, I think was the name, but that's not the traditional acne cleansers which will dry out your skin and etc. And I think we are done. So guys, this was my haul for February 2021. I hope you enjoyed watching, and now you know what to expect on my channel. You've probably seen already some of these things. If you haven't, you will see them in upcoming videos. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments, have you tried any of these things, your opinion, your thoughts, or just say hi, and I really appreciate and like reading comments from you. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!